Okay, Andy. Good morning, everyone. Right. Yesterday, I started constructing one interface now. Let me repeat. We use the interface keyword to declare interfaces. So the syntax is interface name followed by one interface body. The components which are declared within the interface are automatically public. So automatically public. The components or the members which are declared within the interface are automatically public. The members which are declared within the class without any access modifier are automatically default. Automatically default. The interface can be declared with both primitive data type variables and non-primitive data type variables. So both you can declare part of your interfaces. The variables declared in interfaces are automatically static and final variables. Automatically static variable, automatically final variable. Here automatically means if we don't write static keyword also, they are static variables. If we don't write final keyword also, they are final variables. So static variables in interface will get the memory within the interface while interface loading and can be accessed with interface name. Final variables must be initialized with values and once initialized cannot be modified. So final variable behavior is you must take some value into final variable. Once the value has been taken, the value cannot be modified. We are calling it as a secured variables. It's a theory. So if anybody asks, how can we declare non-static variables in interfaces? Then you can say, there is no concept of non-static variables in interfaces because the variables are automatically static. Whenever you declare one variable, automatically considered as a static. If it is automatically static, we cannot declare non-static variables. It's a theory. The methods which are declared within the interface are automatically non-static abstract methods. The methods which are declared within the interface are automatically non-static abstract methods. So whenever you declare one method inside the interface, body not there, it is automatically considered as a non-static abstract method. So non-static means it has to get the memory in the object actually. But whenever you try to create object for interface, you cannot create object. So here we cannot instantiate interfaces because interfaces are abstract components in Java. According to Java language, interfaces are abstract components, means there is no physical existence for that component, means object creation not available for interface. It's a theory. Then how means these interfaces are implemented to classes through implements keyword, and the classes are by terminology known as implementation classes. So here interfaces are linked to the classes through implements keyword. So theory. They are linked through implements keyword. This also inheritance process only. Interface to one class implements. Interface is parent and the class is child. So here also parent-child relation only. Now, by terminology, you call implementation class. These implementation classes must construct the body for abstract methods of interface. So the duty of implementation class is to construct the body for abstract methods. It's a theory. Now, to demonstrate this process, we took one small program yesterday, diagram. Sir, only one abstract method, we can take any number of abstract methods, means here the interface can be declared with any number of abstract methods. No restriction. You can take any number of abstract methods. What is the rule now? The implementation class must construct body for all abstract methods. Must construct the body for all abstract methods of interface. To demonstrate that yesterday, I took here. A interface can be declared with any number of abstract methods, and the implementation class is taking all the abstract methods and constructing the body. That's the information there. Now the last point I made, implementation class can be declared with methods other than implemented methods, means already implemented methods will be there. Other than the implemented methods, you can take other methods part of your interface. For demonstrating, I took one display method here and major information has been delivered yesterday. Now, can I go forward for today's class? Right. Today's class, I will take one more example program. I will take it. I'll forget it again. Yesterday I forget it. Management is planning to issue ID cards to you. You got the information or not now? So they are issuing ID cards to you. Generally we have ID cards before pandemic generally, but again they are trying to issue the ID cards. So these many students, they cannot manage, no, right? I'll update one link in the Google Classroom today. By 1 o'clock, I'll upload one small link I'll keep there. You click on that link and fill the form, right? What are the fill the form. After 4 days, you can collect the ID card. Okay, right? So first you have to click that link and fill the form, right? Today I'll update it. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, you fill the form immediately. Once you fill the form, they'll get a details, right? Okay, their trainer name will be there, course will be there, timing will be there. You give that timing, right? So they'll generate the ID card and they'll issue to you. Within 2-3 days, they'll issue it. Okay, right? Today I'll update that link in your Google Classroom, right? Okay. Again, I'll forget it. Okay, right. Look here. Second example program I am taking. So the second example program I want to take like this. Right, look here. I'll take one interface here. iComparable. iComparable. One interface I will take it. In this, I will take one method. Int compare to int x comma int y. I will take one abstract method. I will take it. one abstract method I will take it. Now, anyway, there is no object for interface, no? Right. It has to be implemented to class. Now, I will take two implementation classes. One class, always I will take greater. Class greater. I'll take one class smaller. I will take one smaller. So here to here we had implements link. Here to here we had implements. So the look is like a hierarchical model. Hierarchical means coming down, no? Right. Hierarchical model. This is. Now, what is the rule now? Sir, when a class is implemented from an interface, the class will take this abstract method signature. The class has to take that abstract method signature. Take abstract method signature. Here, greater logic. Greater logic means printing the greater number of x and y. Printing one greater number of x and y. So among this x and y, which one is the greater, it displays. The logic is there. Now, this class also must take this abstract method. Int compare to of int x comma int y. Here, smaller logic. Smaller logic. Look here. The intention behind this diagram is like this. One interface implemented to one class. One interface implemented to one class. What is the rule of implementation by yesterday? Sir, the implementation class has to take this abstract method and construct the body. It's a theory. Now there are two implementations for one interface. Two implementations. Here I'll give the choice to the user. After reading X and Y, I'll give the choice. Which one I want to display to you? Greater or smaller? Which one you want it? This is the program I'm going to type it. Right. So example, construct the code for the following layout. So here I'll paste that diagram. This one I'll paste it. So for this diagram I'll construct the code. See there, I am constructing. Right. Now interface application 3. interface application 3. iComparable. Package test. Access. New and interface. I am taking iComparable. iComparable. I am taking. I am taking one class greater. One class I am taking smaller. Greater and smaller. I'll come with iComparable now. I am taking one method here now. Int compare to of int x comma int y. Now the method is automatically public, automatically abstract. If we don't write also, they are considered as public, they are considered as abstract. This is the meaning. Now this greater class, what I taken, implements from greater class, implements from iComparable, What is the rule of implements now? Sir, the class has to take that method public. So public int compare to of int x comma int y. It has to construct the body. The return type of this method is integer. So you can write if x greater than y, return return, return x. Else return return, return y. So if x is greater than y, return x, else return y. So the logic is that only. So displaying the greatest value of x and y. The same way, smaller. Implements from iComparable. Here, same method, take it, public int compare to of int x comma int y. Here, if that x less than y, return, return x. Return x. Else return, return y. So here smaller value will come. Here greater value will come. Small logic. So my intention behind this program is a interface can be implemented to any number of implementations. That's the concept. So not only single implementation, a interface can give the method to any number of classes. That's only meaning of this program. Right. So go for main class now here. Go for main class. Demo interface 3. Demo interface 3. Here import java.util import test.star. Here create object for scanner. So scanner S is equal to new scanner of system.in s.close anyway. Now read X value. System dot out dot println. Enter the value of X. Enter the value 1. You take it. Value 1. Int v1 is equal to s dot next int. Now system dot out dot println. Enter the value 2. Now int v2 is equal to s dot next int. So we are reading v1 and v2, value 1 and value 2. So we are asking the choice to the user roughly. System dot out dot println. Here enter your choice. So you want to display greater among the two value, smaller among the two value roughly. Okay, right. So here system dot out dot println, I am giving a choice as 1 for greater and 2 for smaller. 1 for greater, 1 for smaller. Here system dot out dot println, enter the choice. Enter the choice. Now int choice is equal to s dot next int. So already you know choice is there means switch will come. Now case 1 break. Case 2 break. So default is invalid choice. Invalid choice. Like this. Here case 1, if you selected case 1, create object for greater. Greater GT is equal to new greater, like this. Greater GT is equal to new greater. If it is smaller, create object for smaller SM is equal to new smaller, like this. Greater and smaller. So using this greater, you can call the method now GT dot compare to. So system dot out dot println. It is a return type method no anyway. So greater value is equal to GT dot compare to of V1 and V2. V1 and V2. Here system dot out dot println. Here smaller value. Smaller value is SM dot compare to of V1 and V2. So here 2 are the implementations anyway. 2 are the implementations. So the meaning of this program is interface can have any number of implementations. It's a theory. Okay, right. Now I'll run it. I'll get the answer. Enter the value 1 now. Enter the value 2 now. Which one you want to display it? I want to display the smaller value. So 12 is the smaller. This is for demo purpose. Okay, right. So check the greater value is working or not. 12, 13, go with greater. So it's working. So this program is giving information to you. Interface can be implemented to any number of implementation classes. It's a theory. Okay, right. Sir, where I should apply this knowledge? this knowledge where I should apply this. 2 minutes, I'll reveal it. So here I took iComparable, I took it, .java. I took greater .java. I took smaller .java. I took demo interface 3.java as a main class ticket. So this is the third program you had in your book. The third program. Got it, everyone? Right. So look here. Sir, where I should apply this knowledge means, remember one point now. Look here. Just I'm changing to 8. So my version I change it to 8. Just I temporarily change it to 8. Actually my environment is 16. I change it to 8. Now Java P Java X dot servlet dot servlet servlet. Can you see one interface here, all of you? Can you see one interface, all of you? Right. So advanced Java application is available. Application, two meanings are there, but application means whatever you learn from me here, you have to apply there. That only advanced Java. So something you have to carry some knowledge there and apply it. So there also one interface is there. Example, this interface is available like this. So from the library, one interface is coming. 2 minutes for clarity purpose I am writing. servlet, one interface. This is built-in. Built-in means already available. This servlet has 5 methods. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 abstract methods are, can you see? Abstract. Can you see? Yesterday I made a statement to you. Interface can be declared with any number of abstract methods, no restriction. Now, here the interface is holding many methods. Among that, one method is there, service request and response. One method is there. One method will be there. Void service. At least what I am discussing today, few people will remember for advanced Java. At least. Okay, right. This is abstract. I am highlighting this method for you. So, remaining 4 methods I am not showing it. I am showing one method. Okay, right. Now here, this is providing one service method, request and response parameters, right? What is the meaning of service? Service means taking the request, providing response. What is the meaning of server? providing service, right? Suppose if you go to one hotel, breakfast hotel only, that is for normal hotel only. When you go to one hotel, one boy will be standing there. His name also server only. His name also server. You can ask that boy, what is your duty? I will provide service to customer. He says that I will provide service to customer. What kind of service? I will take a request from the customer. What he want? Right? I'll go inside. I'll give the response. Service means taking the request, giving the response. Clear, right? Who provide this service means server. Right? When you come to our application area, we had servers providing services. Understood this point or not now? So what I'm trying to say here is, now already one built-in is there now. One built-in is there. Now for this built-in, I will take implementations. I will take implementations. I can take any number of implementations based on my application. I will take it. So one implementation is registration. One class name I am taking registration. One class name I am taking login. One class name I am taking view profile. One class name I am taking logout. Right. In Advanced Java we ask that only. Do you know how to construct the class? Student will say yes. So link that class to interface. Link that class to where now? Interface. You have been linked or not now? You are linked. Whenever you linked this, what keyword now? Implements. Then what is the rule of implements available in core Java? Sir, implements means we must take this service method. Yes or no? Na? You must take this service method, construct the body. Here, registration logic. This is service. SERVIC, service, request and response. Here, registration logic. Here, service. What kind of service? This is login logic. Login logic. Here, I want to see my profile, sir. Service, request, response. Here, view profile logic. View logic. Roughly I am writing. Service, request, response. Here, logout. My work is over, sir. I want to log out. So, logout, logic. Understood or not now? Now the application is, I'll give a choice to the user. I'll give a choice to the user. The choice one is, you are a new user means register. If you are an old user means login. Understood this now? Once you log in successful, for you two options inside. You want to see the profile. You want to see the profile. Or you want to edit the profile. Or you want to log out. That is becoming one application or not now? Can you see that? It's becoming one application now. Understood this point? No, it is becoming one application or not now? All of you, right? Sir, I am using switch case. No, sir. There are some switch case. I means not switch case. In your HTML, you had anchor tag. Yes or no? Na? Yes or no? Yes or no? Anchor tag is there, no? Anchor tag A. HRF stands for hyperlink reference equal to one double quotes will be there. There the link is available. So that anchor tag you are learning from HTML, no, you have to bring to servlet program. So through anchor tag we show the options. So what I'm trying to say here now, there are some interfaces available in the library. We are taking that interfaces and constructing the implementations. Now here example one servlet is the interface available. Based on my application, I'll construct the implementations. Based on the applications, based on my application, I'll construct the implementations. All of you understood this point or not now? Constructing implementations means I'll take the methods and construct the body. Why, sir? Why specifically service method only? Why? I'll write my own program, sir, in advanced Java. Why? I must take the support of one servlet. Why? I'll write my own class. It will not work. Sir, why it will not work? HTML form to server program, one protocol is involved. HTTP protocol. Right? HTTP protocol port number is 80 according to the IEEE standards. Through that request, the data should come. That requested decoders will see the service method. That is the rule. If service method not there, the protocol is not decoded. Because of this reason, your library will hold that service method and keep it. Now that HTTP protocol will hit the servlet program and finds the service method and give the data. That is the work. So you are in the layer 1 now, level 1. Level 1 means learning interface. Level 2, applying that interface. So here you cannot apply demo programs only. Here I written one program, no, greater, smaller. This is not application. This is demo. Demo means one interface can have any number of implementations. By the choice, I am creating object. Application is this one. When I go to advanced Java, I will take one built-in interface. I'll construct the implementations. Now I'll give the choice. You are designing one form, no? Login form, you'll design it. HTML, login form. In that login form, username, password, login will be there. Below that, new user, one tag will be there. If you click on new user, registration will come. If you are an old user, enter username and password. If that username, password correct, show the remaining two options. That is view profile and logout. Who writes this program means we write that programs in advanced Java. But why I am speaking that point today? Because today I am introducing the concept of interface. We are going to apply in the servlet program. All of you understood now? What is the statement available today now? Interface can have any number of implementation classes. Make it. That is the rule. The diagram I'll paste there in your book for awareness, because in advanced Java batches, we are only writing that kind of application. Whenever we write that application, simple and servlet program means one interface. If you know interface correctly, servlet programming is over actually. If you know interface correctly, servlet program over. Total servlet program depends upon one interface servlet. That only. If he knows interface rules correctly, servlet programming is over. Now, here I'll paste the diagram where we are going to apply it. After this one, I will write the rule. How many rules completed here now? Rule 11. Now I am writing rule 12 today. Make it rule Rule 12. Rule 12 is the interface can be implemented to any number of implementation classes. The interface can be implemented to any number of implementation classes without any restriction. Without any restriction. Without any restriction. Without any restriction. We don't have any restriction. Now, whatever I shown here in advanced Java, I'll construct that and give to you. Live code, I will give it. I'll give a live code for it. Right? The program I will write by sitting here. On that day, I am writing program for interface only. Concept is interface only. Application is servlet. Concept interface only. I will write the program using interface in advanced Java, but at last it will come as a servlet program. So because we write the same concept in advances. Clear, right? Now, after this one, right? After taking a rule 2, now take some assignments to practice it. Assignment 1 for practice. Right. Yesterday, see there? Yesterday I took one arithmetic and addition I took it. Now the same program you have to extend and come, right? So the extension is like this. Anyway, arithmetic is there. You take same arithmetic. One interface. Having one method. Calculate of index. Now, take 5 implementations. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulo division. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulo division. Now all these are implementations. choice, add, you know the choice no already, subtract, multiplication, division, choice. All are implements only. Same pattern, no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Na? Same. Just for practice purpose, you do it. Right. Now, construct the code for the following layout. I comparable. This diagram I'll paste there. Assignment 2. Right. Look here. Assignment 2 is your bank transaction. Do you remember bank transaction? Yes or no? Na? You not brought this here, right? Into Eclipse you not converted. Right. The program is there now, bank transaction program is there with you already. Okay, right. Now today you have to convert this program. Okay. You have to convert like this. Take one balance class. Take one balance class having variable balance 2000. Here one method is there. Void get balance, get balance. One method is there. So we had check pin number. We are maintaining one check pin number, no? Check pin number. We are checking that pin number. You know, verify method I used. Boolean verify. You know, logic is already readily available. You can copy paste. Right? Okay. So already logic is there. You can copy paste. So pin number is so. After that, today the new thing is I am taking one interface. That is transaction. I am taking one interface. I am taking. The new thing is one interface I am taking. Now in this interface now, yesterday I made one statement to you. Interface can be declared with primitive data type variables and non-primitive data type variables. Yes or no? Yesterday I made one statement among the rules. Interface can be declared with both primitive data type variable and non-primitive data type variable. So I am taking balance B is equal to new balance. So I am creating object for this class here. I am linking that balance class here, and here I am keeping one abstract method here, void process of int amount. One abstract method I am keeping. Start. Now the balance class linked there means what? Using that B, we can access BAL. Using that B, you can access that get balance anyway. Now, two implementations. One is withdraw, one is deposit. One is withdraw, one is deposit. These two are the implementations we had. Implements. Now you know the rules of implements, no? Taking that abstract method, constructing. Okay, right. Now here choice. Already you know choice. Withdraw and deposit. So this one, take the support of the logic available with you and convert into the combination of interface and implementation. You convert it, right? So you take the support of old logic and convert into this format. Make it construct the code for the following layout. That is bank transaction. So I want you to convert that diagram into the code form. So old program, hope you executed already. Some support will come with your old program. Take that support. So take that support. Some modifications you have to do and it has to work. Right. So these are all practices for interface can be implemented to any number of implementations. All practices comes under that. Okay, right. Now look here. Go for your diagram. This one. At last, methods are there. Okay, right. Methods are non-static abstract methods. The interface can be implemented to any number of implementations. The implementations are taking that abstract method and writing the body. And then no, right. Now, class declared with blocks. Yes or no? Na? Class declared with blocks. They are static and non-static. Static and non-static. And classes declared with constructors. Anyway, it is non-static. It is non-static. Now, here blocks, here constructors, blocks, constructors. Remember, there is no concept of blocks and constructors in interfaces. Still, they not entered into interface. Still, they not entered. In the future, they may enter. Some people will ask us, sir, in the future, Java will go now, sir. Total Python will come. Somebody will ask the questions to us. The discussion is there, no, among students only. The discussion is among students only, not among the research and development centers. Oracle Corporation will maintain R&D, research and development, right? They'll be working on new algorithms related to Java API. Their discussion not there. Python related R&D is there. Their discussion not there. In Amirpet, among fresher students only discussion is there. Even experienced people also not worried about the discussion because they are busy with implementations. Who is having more time means the freshers. Yes or no now? So you will have a more discussion. This will go, that will go, as an Ireta. All are parallel domains. Engineer only, doctor only, lawyer only. So Java only, Python only, .NET only, C only. See, all are having their work. Difference are getting or not now? All will have their own domains. Somebody will have suddenly more opportunity. Somebody will have less opportunity. So sometimes they will have more opportunity. We'll have less opportunity based on the requirement in the real-time market. Some balancing will come. That only vanishing not there. That the R&D will not be closed only. Oracle Corporation will not shut down the door. Right? Okay. Not there. Why I'm speaking that point means still interface development is going on. Still interface development is going on. See, I will take my history only. So whenever I'm learning Java, I started learning Java in 2001, 2002. In 2001, I was campus recruited in Java. In my final year 4-1, I took offer letter. 4-1. When 4-1 August, I took one offer letter. The joining in next August. 1 year before, I took offer letter on Java. So I must learn Java. Already I know Java on that day. I recruited in 2001, not now. Almost 21 years completed. So I must learn more. I started concentrating on that Java. So I took my major project as Java. Means final year one project will be there, no? That project. My project is RPC and RMI protocols. I took IEEE 2 protocols, RMI and RPC. Today, RMI, RPC protocols came as Corba. Corba came as web service came as microservice. So on the day, the new protocols are RMI, RPC. So I done my project on RMI, RPC using Java. I done it. So I took a support of some people to learn, to teach that on that this much of sources not there. On that I also came to Amirpet 2001. In Amirpet, these buildings not there on that day. So my engineering is here only, no? The University, right? So I done the 2 protocols. On that day, some sources said to me, one class will be there, one interface will be there. On that day, interface will hold only abstract method. Interface will not hold concrete method. I done my certification in Java 5 already. In 2006, I took certification. In Java 5, 2006, 2007, I took my first certificate in Java 5 already. So on that day, I returned my examination for that sources, saying that the interface will hold abstract methods. But today, by 2014, concrete method came already. Today, interface can hold concrete method. That's all I'm going to reveal it. Concrete method came by 2014. Java 8. Concrete methods came already. 2 concrete methods came. One is static, one is default. In 2017 Java 9 product, private concrete method came. So what you are observing here now, sir, research is not stopped going on. So some people are working in enhancing the Java product. Somebody is busy in enhancing the Java project. That will not go. That's the meaning. Understood now? I also updated myself to Java 8. I took a certification. I had a certification with Java 8 now. I done it. Why I done it means my certification is old one with Java 5. So I must prove myself what is happening there means I took there. So in that I educated many things regarding Java 8. Now I am preparing for Java 11. At present I am preparing for Java 11. I am writing my examination within 3 months. So what I am doing now, enhancement is coming on. So Java product enhancement is going on. In that product, blocks and constructors not entered. Right? Sir, they will come means they may come. Within 1 year or 2 years or next coming products, they may come. Up to now, blocks and constructors are not available. Understood this point now, right? So I am also preparing Java 11 certification. I am preparing now. Java 11, if you want to take a certification, you must have Java 8 certification. Then only Java 11 is allowed. Now I am preparing for Java 11. That is the latest certificate available from Oracle University. I am preparing. So why I am preparing myself means these many students are believing me, no? Yes or no, na? So I must not read Amirpet books, no? I must not buy one book from one Xerox center and read it, no? If I read it, what happened now? The root will be collapsed. Your third party others will collapse your terminology and ideology. So we have to catch the root where it is available. Then exact things will come out. Because of this reason, we trainers will try to catch the root because we are looking for exact. Even I also bought complete reference. 1 month back I brought that complete reference in Java. This much of book came for me. So when the version changes, I used to buy one book, observing what other is doing in the market regarding my product. Because for me, from 2001 onwards today, morning onwards, eating, sleeping, drinking Java only. So my food, everything is Java only. Everything is Java only for me since 20 years. Wherever I speak it, wherever I work it, wherever I support, I'll be doing with Java. So definitely I must be touch with that product. If Java vanishes, Venkatesh sir will be vanished. Yes or no? So by safe side, I also done my certification in Python. I done already. Why I done? I must know what is happening in the next room. Because wall is there here, I must know what is happening there also. So that I'll be very strong or not now. So I took it. In my pandemic situation, I'm openly speaking, I took from one university. IEEE one university is there. From there, I took one certification in Python. Why means object-oriented programmer can jump anywhere. That is the advantage of object-oriented programming in Java. Within 20 days, you can change the domain. Very easy if you know core Java correctly. So I observed that why students are running this Python. I also entered. I observed there what is happening and I came back. I am not entering into Python domain to check somebody is running beside me. I must know why he is running. So I observed and came back. Understood this point now? So what I am trying to say here is Java enhancement is going on. Because of this reason, if you see any placements, Java placements will be very high. That doesn't mean that Java is only the domain available in the market, doesn't mean. Why more opportunities available for Java means old companies are very high. There are many established companies are there. They will not close it, no. So some way they will take some resources. Because 100% placement batches also, they'll conduct Java 100% placement, they'll say. Because many established companies are there. So other companies also available, .NET, Python there. But we had more number of established companies. Doesn't mean that we are having more, they are having more, I say not there. So all will have some companies. In Indian based, in Hyderabad based, n number of Java established companies are there. Because of this reason, student can find a job bit easily when compared to other domain. Difference are getting no? Why I am speaking this much of length now means blocks and constructors, why not there if anybody asked? For now it is not there. In the future, Venkatesh sir cannot give a guarantee. R&D is working on, they may come. So in 2001, 2002, I also not expected one concrete method came. But today, concrete method came. Because of this reason, whenever I am starting interfaces, I written a first step only. Interface is a collection of variables and abstract methods up to Java 7 version I written. Means what? Venkatesh sir is going to train Java 8 separately. That is the meaning of that statement. So Java 8 onwards, interface has been changed. That's the meaning. So up to Java 7 I am working now. Old pattern I am working. 90% of engineers are still working on Java 7 pattern only. Because Java 8 features are popular. Many people will ask Java 8 feature. Java 8 also outdated. Today we are in Java 17. No, that market people are busy in update, busy in not updating actually. They busy with their own domain. They are not updating 8. They are highlighting 8. But 8 also outdated. 9 came, 10 came, 11 came, 12 came, 13 came, 14 came, 15 came, 16 came, 17 came. Now certification on 11. After that, 3 years after, they'll give a certification on remaining. So they given certification on 8 and 11 they given at present. 8 and 11. Means what? They are proving the 11 for the next market. For next coming market, they are planning to prove 11. So current market is 8. So because the certifications are available on 8, next coming market is 11. So when the 17 will come? To come 17, it takes 10 more years or not now? For implementation, 17 will come for 10 years. If you recruit your asset Java also, within 10 years, you can buy everything. Credit card, debit card, house, car, everything will be over, no software engineer. Within 10 years, you can buy. Means what? Why I am speaking that point means enhancement is going on. No software will be vanished from the market. Got it right? Make a statement. Yesterday also one student asked me, sir, Java will go, where will go? It will not go anywhere. Now, there is no concept of blocks and constructors. There is no concept of blocks and constructors in interfaces. There is no concept of blocks and constructors in interfaces. There is no concept of blocks and constructors in interfaces. Up to now, they are not available. Okay, right? Rule 14. Rule 14 is, here features came. Here features came. Here features means linking to another class. Yes or no? Here features meaning is taking the members from another class. Class extended to one more class. In that process, the class can take the features of another class. That's called features. What kind of features you can take it now? Sir, I can take static features of parent class and non-static features of parent class. The same way, here also features. Here features means one interface can be extended from another interface. Here also it can take static and non-static, it can take it. Static and static means variable, non-static means abstract method. It can take the abstract method, non-static. Now make a statement like this. Rule 14. Interface can extract the features from. Interface can extract the features from another interface. Another interface using extends keyword. Using extends keyword. Interface can extract the features from another interface using extends keyword. Here interface to interface also extends keyword only, like this. Suppose I had one interface here. I test 1, I will take it. This interface is having one method, void M1 int x. And this method is abstract, of course. I am taking one more interface, that is I test 2. Void M2 of into 1. This also one abstract. Now interface to interface what keyword andi? Extends. Class to class what keyword? Class to class what keyword? Extends. Interface to class what keyword? What keyword andi? Interface to class what keyword now? Implements. We can remember, no? Right. We cannot create object for interface. We have to depend on one class. So I am taking I class, I am taking. Now here to here I must use implements. Now this method will come here. This method will come here. The two methods will come there. Of course, here link it through extends keyword, they will come. Okay, right. This M1 is available to ITest2. Through ITest2 it is available. Here you have to construct the body. Understood this point now? Now that is multi-level inheritance, no? Yes or no? That is multi-level inheritance. These diagrams are hierarchical inheritances. So whenever it is pattern like this is hierarchical, and the pattern like this is multi-level. That is multi-level inheritance. Single yesterday already. Okay, right. So this is multi-level inheritance. We create object for I class. See there? This diagram for document purpose, I will load here. and example program. I will type it. If anybody is drawing, write. Right. See there? In example program, I take itest1.java, itest2.java, iclass.java, demo, interface 4, I think, .java. This is one main class. I will take it. So 1 minute. Interface application 4. I'm taking. itest2. iClass. Now, in itest1, we take public void m1 of int x. Now that itest1 is extends into itest2. I test 1, right. Now, this I class implements from I test 2. Now it has to construct the body for both. Public void M1 of int x. Public void M2 of. So system dot out dot println plus x. So system dot out dot plus 1, like this. Once the class is implemented from I test 2, it has to construct the body for both. Now go for main class once, see that. Demo interface 4. Import test dot star. So I class OB is equal to new I class. Now OB dot M1, OB dot M2. So the information through this program is one interface can be extended from another interface. That only concept. So that only we call it as features anyway. So in this diagram, one interface can be extended from another interface. Right. So here we stop this generally. So do that assignments and come. Right. Okay. Up to now, management did not send any message to me. Tomorrow, Ugadi, no? Yes or no? Na? Right. No message from management. If any message is there, I'll update in the Google Classroom to you. Holiday is there or not. Okay, right. So check the Google Classroom in the evening once. Right. If I not updated anything, tomorrow class is there. Okay, right. If I updated, holiday will be there. Okay, right. I'll update in the Google Classroom. Right. Okay. Thank you very much.